Is it time to buy or sell American Capital Agency stock? In this video, we are diving deep into American Capital Agency. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 3rd day of January in the year 2025, our system has categorized American Capital Agency as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -1.77. Now, let's examine the stock's performance throughout this period. We will continue to monitor this evaluation to observe how it develops in the upcoming days. The stock is currently positioned within a declining trend in the short term, indicating that further decreases are likely. The current 3-month trend predicts a potential decrease of approximately 8.75% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from -11.26% to -5.16%. In terms of the 12-month trend, it forecasts a change of about 2.93% over the next 12 months, with potential returns between 0.446% and 17.21%. This suggests a price range of $9.48 to $11.06 after 1 year. Our latest daily update for American Capital Agency includes the headline, Weaker Technical Forecast for American Capital Agency as Stock Downgraded to Sell Candidate. The stock price of American Capital Agency increased by 1.72% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 3rd of January, 2025, climbing from $9.28 to $9.44. During that trading day, the stock experienced fluctuations of 2.10%, ranging from a low of $9.29 to a high of $9.48. Although the price has decreased in 5 of the last 10 days, it has still risen by 1.4% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator. In total, 11,000 additional shares were traded compared to the previous day. Overall, 19 million shares changed hands for approximately $182.37 million. Over the last 52 weeks, the stock reached its highest price of $10.85 and its lowest price of $8.92. Currently, the price is 13% or $1.41 below the 52-week high and 57.74% or $12.90 below the all-time high recorded on the 26th of June, 2017, when the price peaked at $22.34. AGNC Investment Corporation has recently garnered attention from analysts, with optimistic recommendations emphasizing its substantial dividend yield, which is currently close to 16%. Although the share price has been on a downward trend, the stock continues to attract income-focused investors. However, there are lingering concerns regarding the sustainability of this yield, particularly in light of declining earnings forecasts influenced by recent interest rate changes that have pressured profit margins and asset valuations. As AGNC primarily operates within agency mortgage-backed securities, the Federal Reserve's expected rate cuts could enhance its financial outlook by potentially widening its net interest spread, a vital component of its income. This favorable news may generate short-term upward momentum for the stock as investors respond to the potential for improved profitability in a conducive interest rate environment. In the long run, AGNC faces challenges due to its elevated valuation and persistent earnings decline, which could restrict its growth potential. If earnings continue to weaken, it may raise concerns about the sustainability of its impressive dividend yield, ultimately impacting investor sentiment and stock price stability. With analysts projecting mixed outcomes, AGNC stands as both a high-risk investment opportunity for income seekers and a stock to approach with caution for potential capital appreciation in the coming months. Analyst Ratings. On Tuesday, the 22nd of October, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AGNC an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that Piper Sandler assigned AGNC an overweight grade with a hold action. On Friday, the 20th of September, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned AGNC an overweight grade with an upgrade action. On Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, it was reported that RBC Capital assigned AGNC an outperform grade with a hold action. On Thursday, the 19th of September, 2024, it was reported that Keefe, Bruyette & Woods assigned AGNC an outperform grade with a hold action. Analysts have assigned American Capital Agency stock a general buy rating. They consider the price-to-earnings ratio to be neutral, while the price-to-book ratio is rated as sell. In terms of return on investment, the stock receives a neutral rating from the analysts. The following signals have been identified for American Capital Agency. A buy signal emerged from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, December 31st, 2024, with the stock showing an increase of 2.5% so far. There are indications of further upward movement until a new top pivot is established. The volume is increasing alongside the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been noted, which could impact the near-term development. The stock currently holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. In contrast, the long-term average reflects a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average, this creates an overall sell signal for the stock, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the stock continue to rise, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $9.54. Conversely, if the stock declines, it will find some support at the short-term average of $9.34. A breakthrough above the long-term average would trigger another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average would issue an additional sell signal, reinforcing the general negative trend. Furthermore, a sell signal is currently indicated from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Here are some additional signals you may find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots show a buy signal from 3 days ago. Bollinger also reflects a buy signal from 3 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a buy signal 14 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages indicated a buy signal 12 days ago. Observing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average registered a buy signal 14 days ago. The long-term moving average issued a sell signal 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 44 days ago. For further signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for American Capital Agency. American Capital Agency finds support from accumulated volume at $9.38. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. Generally, the stock tends to exhibit controlled movements, and with good liquidity, the risk associated with this stock is considered very low. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $0.19 between its high and low, representing a change of 2.10%. In the past week, the stock has experienced a daily average volatility of 1.70%. Before we dive into the possible good trading levels for American Capital Agency, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, let's discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly referred to as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A relatively low PE ratio may suggest that there are low expectations for the future of the company, or it might indicate that the stock is undervalued, presenting a potential buying opportunity. In other news, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 27th of January, 2025. Analysts' consensus estimates are set at 430 thousandths of a dollar. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for American Capital Agency. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for American Capital Agency is at $9.52. If you do not own any shares, it may be wise to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a key level to consider for swing trading. On the downside, American Capital Agency encounters its first support level at $9.38. If this support level holds, it could present a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for American Capital Agency from multiple analyst sources is to buy. The most recent insider trade for this stock dates back more than 3 months. The latest transaction occurred on the 8th of August, 2024, when Bell Bernice executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock. Currently, we hold a negative outlook for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is American Capital Agency stock a good buy? American Capital Agency exhibits several negative indicators, suggesting that its performance will likely remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative outlook on this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our previous recommendation from a hold or accumulate to a sell. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, January 6th, we anticipate that American Capital Agency will open lower, down approximately 3.83 cents, starting at $9.40. We would like to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of financial loss. It is advisable to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions related to buying or selling securities. Your investment choices should not rely solely on StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.